Welcome back to our channel Law Point, and this is Anisha Babu. I think today's session is the most desired session as we are going to discuss about procedures to obtain probate in India. We have our Supreme Court of India Advocate on record, Ms. Priscilla Elizabeth Joseph, to enlighten us on this topic. So let's watch.
Hello friends, last session we had seen the essential requirements of making a will. In today's session we are going to see how the contents of the will becomes effective after the death of the maker of the will. As I have stated in my previous session, will becomes effective after the death of the maker of the will. He is called a testator. However, for the implementation of the contents of the will needs to be presented before a court and the court authorizes the will. This procedure is called probate. Probate legalizes the will as the same is certified by the court. So today we are going to discuss the probate procedure in India. Probate of will is not required in all cases. It is essential if the immobile property lies in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, or if the immobile properties are lying in different states. For example, one property is in Kerala, one property is in Maharashtra, etc. Or there may be mistakes in the will, or the intention of the testator might not be clear from the will. In all these cases, it is always better to get the will probated so that the executor will not face much problems in implementing the wishes of the testator. A probate can be granted only to the executor appointed under the will, and it authorizes the executor to implement the will, like distributing the assets or transferring the properties to the name of beneficiaries or paying off the debt of the deceased testator. Rules governing probate procedure in India is under Indian Succession Act 1925. The executor of the will can apply for probate after 7 days of the death of the testator. Probate petition can be filed before the district court under whose jurisdiction the major part of the property lies. Now we will see the documents required for probate. While submitting probate application, certain documents are required to be submitted along with the same. First of all, the court will have to see whether this is the last will executed by the testator and whether this will is genuine. For the same, you will have to submit the original will before the court. Secondly, the court will see whether he executed the will voluntarily and in sound state of mind. To prove the same, you can file a medical fitness certificate issued by the doctor who examined the testator or the maker of the will at the time of preparing the will, and an affidavit of any one of the witnesses to state that he has seen the testator signing the will. Finally, you need to produce the death certificate to prove the death of the testator. After receiving probate petition, court issues notice to the immediate relatives to file objections to the grant of probate. In addition, court direct a newspaper publication to inform the general public to file any objection to the grant of probate of the particular will. If there is no objection to the grant of probate and the relative consent to the grant of probate, the court immediately grant probate to the executor of the will. If the relative file objection to the grant of probate, it is called probate caveat. Caveat is filed by the opposite side to challenge a will. There are certain grounds to challenge a will. They are lack of due execution. That means a valid will need to be in writing and signed by the testator and two witnesses seeing the testator signing the will. If this process is not followed in a will, then the will can be challenged in a court of law. Secondly, lack of testamentary capacity. That means a valid will need to be written by a person of sound mind and he must be a major under the Indian Majority Act. If the person is insane or he is under dementia or is under intoxication the testator did not understand the consequences of making the will at the time of its creation. Thirdly, lack of knowledge and approval. The testator at the time of creation did not understand the contents of the will and he signed it without knowing the contents of the will. Fourthly, if the will is obtained by undue influence, coercion, or pressure, then again the will can be challenged in a court of law. It is a difficult task to challenge a will because in most of the cases court rely on the will because the testator is not alive to defend himself. The entire process of grant of probate takes at least 6 to 9 months to complete. If there is any objection to the grant of probate, the process can even take longer to get completed depending upon the seriousness of the objection. In probate proceeding, a certain percentage on the value of asset will be charged as court fee. These are the main aspects of probate procedure in India. Now we covered 3 sessions on will, the need for making a will, the essential requirements while making a will, thirdly, the probate procedure in India. Next session, I will be answering doubts received on the topic of will. If you want me to cover a topic of your choice, please mention in the comment box below.
Thanks for watching.